Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Google Chromecast media stream device in black. We expand our home entertainment without buying a new television. Google Chromecast lets us stream our favorite from our phone, tablet, or laptop. No remote needed. The Chromecast is easy to set up. We just plug it in, we connect it to the Wi-Fi network, and then we can start streaming to turn our television into a smart television. It works with almost any television that has an HDMI port. It works with the apps we already know and love. We enjoy shows, movies, music, games, sports, photos, live television, and more from over 2,000 streaming apps in up to 1080p. With the Chromecast, we can stream, pause, play, or adjust the volume right from our phone with just a tap while we are streaming. We can still use our phone as we normally do. We can mirror our laptop screen or turn our tablet into an even better entertainment system. We surf the web or see our media on the big screen. Google Chromecast is designed to make the most of the apps and entertainment already on our phone. We turn our television into a smart television to enjoy shows, movies, live television, YouTube, photos, and more on the biggest screen. With Chromecast, it's all just a tap away from all of our family's devices. The Google Chromecast turns a wireless device, phone or tablet into our remote control on the world. We use the Chromecast to cast our favorite content to our television, bringing it all to the big screen. Our device then becomes our remote to search, browse, cue, and control Chromecast from the next seat or from the next room. And because the Chromecast is cloud-based, we can text, call, or wander about without interruption what is on the screen. The Chromecast requires the television with an HDMI port, a Wi-Fi network, and a compatible Android, iOS, Windows, or Mac operating system, computer or mobile device. Subscriptions are required to access certain content. Casting optimized for selected service only. Its available services and content will vary by country, of course, and the performance of the 13 Chromecast features, services, and applications depends on the device we use with the Chromecast and our internet connection too. You see, it's really easy. We get it in position, and then we can pair it nearly immediately. Dock it in position, pair it, have fun with it, and make your old, not smart TV into a modern, smart television. This works really easy and cloudy with Google Chromecast. This device is from third generation. It's a media streamer to make all televisions smart again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.